Hello, what's up everyone? Today we're throwing a gorgeous render from ArtStation into the mix, just to see how it stacks up against the latest update of Tencent's 3D AI tool, Hunyuan 3D 2.5. The goal here? Simple. We want to see how much detail an artist can bring to the table, especially when it comes to textures, compared to what this AI can generate. Now, I've tested this beast before, and trust me, it's no joke. It's fast, it's free, and surprisingly good, especially if you're working with stylized assets and clean renders like this one. So we hit that glorious Generate New button. Now, depending on your image, it usually takes between 2 to 7 minutes to do its thing. And in my opinion, it's already a solid start. You can always tweak and enhance the textures later to make it shine even more. And then, here's the result. The geometry. Solid. No weird AI mush. It actually feels like a pro-level output. Now, of course, the textures aren't one-to-one. You'll notice the glow effects are missing, and some small details didn't make the jump. But overall, super impressive. Maybe the next update will get even closer to the original. Big shout out to ERIK, the artist behind the original input render. Amazing work. The best part, Hunyuan 3D 2.5 is completely free. At least for now, works right in your browser, no downloads, no sketchy stuff. Links in the description if you want to try it for yourself. If this video sparked even one brain cell of value, smash that, like, slap subscribe, and drop your weirdest ideas for the next AI test in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Peace.